Okay guys, so this is part of the studio section. I was telling you guys, this is a studio session, the making of Obodo with Larry Gaaga, Theresa Onourah, and Flavour Nabani and Phyno. I believe Phyno actually recorded his own verse and sang, because that period he wasn't really around and he was putting things in place for his album Full-Time Job, which he just dropped as well. Now this is the studio section between Theresa Onourah and Flavour, the Ijele one of Africa. They were actually making great music, and trust me, knowing fully well that Obodo was actually owned by Theresa Onourah, this is just like a remake or a polished version of the song. Is really beautiful. And yeah, at least with this one, Casey will know how they usually copy. Know that this one is not copy. This one is called polishing the song and giving it a new value in the market. Listen to the making. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment below.
Chineke ya kwara ụzọ ọma ihe ọma ga-eme gị na-eme gị n'azụ mee gị n'aka na-eme gị n'aka ekpe ihe na-eje na-anata iji ebe ahụ na-eji na-ebute sọdọla uri bata were na-emekwa ihe gosi ha n'odogwu ka ewu adịrị gị otu erizi ọsị
take care na na-enedokwu ya anya ọfụma
onye jija konye na nyulume muno mumegwo abala ka azanyo onye jija konye na nyulume muno mumegwo n'obodo na-egwu na-emegwu n'obodo ndị egwu na-enye ekeno n'obodo onye mejeje mba ọbịa na-egwu mụ na chi egwu abanụ n'obodo onye meje matụ
Obodo